Hello everybody, get ready to do lesson 11.8 homework pre-algebra math today. And for today's homework lesson, you got 74 points. You had 20 points on your notebook taking for the classwork, but for the homework you got 74 points here. Students, put your name, date, period here, due date for onliners and homeschoolers, and page 1 of 11.8, explain here what this is about. Number 2, what is the complement of this situation here? Put your response in here. And then number 3, you roll a number cube or a dice, tell whether the events are disjoint or overlapping, then find P of A or B. So roll an even number, roll a 3. So tell whether these are disjoint or overlapping, this situation here. And you got 8 points here for page 1. Page 2, you got these events here, overlapping, and so forth. Number 7, bag of marbles. What is the probability that you draw a red or a blue? And then for that, we go into 1, are the events disjoint or overlapping? For this question here, 8 points here for page 2. And then page 3, you got more here, referring back to the bag of marbles question, 2, 3, and 4. And then down here you have a spinner. Till the disjoint or overlapping here for the spinner. Stops on an even, stops on a green. So this is green, this is red, and then this is green over here too. So that's kind of hard to see, especially on your black and white printout. But this is green, and this is green, 5's green, 6 and 4 are different, and then 1 and 3 are red. So for your information, any questions, email me about those. And you got 12 points here for page 3. And then page 4 stops on an odd, stops on a multiple of 3. A red and a blue, so we have red and blue and green on the spinner. So remember that, stops on blue, stops on a multiple of 3. Like I say, any questions, email me about the blue and the red and so forth. 9 points here for page 4. Page 5, A and B are disjoint, find P of A or B for these situations here. You got 12 points here for page 5. Page 6, events A and B are overlapping, find probability of A or B here. Then down here, 19, 20, 21, given P of A and find P of not A, and then put your responses over here. And you got 18 points here for page 6. Page 7, continuing from the previous, and then we've got a blood type question here. A, find a probability that the blood from a randomly selected resident will be either type A or type O from this circle graph here. And this is your response space here. 7 points here for page 7. And that is 11.8 pre-algebra math homework. Animated PowerPoint math video, AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.